So our participant, the number of participant is very low.
Yeah.
We are
Yes, we need to find the way.
yes, yes.
Mhm.
Please continue.
Yeah, thank you. Now this is a time. This part is for the function with no arguments, without any arguments. So yes, without any argument is okay. And, and then at the same time, if there is no argument, then there is no return statement. Yes, for example, just printing the hello function, then printing the hello, just hello, how are you? Good morning, good evening, and there is we don't need to add any input to our function. So just writing our function definition def and our function name with no arguments in this parenthesis, and then just writing the print function. And then when we call the function and yes, there is no argument to write in calling the function too. So this is our done. Now let's start exercise for writing our own function. My internet connection is also a bit low. Okay, let's set up our exercise. Yes, now the session start. And the question one is, in the house pricing advanced regression techniques computation, we need to use information like the number of bedrooms and bedroom to predict the price of a house. Inspired by this computation, we will write our own function to do this. And in the next course, we will create a function get expected cost, and it has two arguments, number of bedrooms and number of bedroom, and it should return. So our function might be two arguments, BEDS beds okay, and BADHS, and it should return the expected cost of a house with the number of bedrooms and bedroom. And for example, the expected cost for a house with 0 bedroom, there is no bedroom and no 0 bedroom, and then the cost would be just 8,000, and then 80,000, and then each bedroom as the expected, or there maybe we need to define for the bedroom 30,000 and for the bedroom 10,000. And for instance, a house with 1 bedroom and 1 bedroom has an expected cost of here the total cost. So now this is the time to test our code. If we would like to know for the hint with this question, we can just comment this question one Q1.hint and then run the serve. Then there may be the hint may be display like here. For example, the value should be the base cost is around here, and plus we need to calculate the total cost of the bedroom by using the multiplication operation, and plus we need to calculate for the total cost of the bedroom with multiplication and or addition. And so, and then this Q1 dot solution is just to see the answer for this question. For example, here the solution we need to define using the DEF keyword and then the function name with the two arguments, and then just just calculate our value according to the instruction, and we need to return only one argument, only one variable, the value. Now this is the question 2. We are thinking about buying. If you are thinking about buying a home and want to get an idea of how much you will spend based on the number of bedrooms and bedroom, then you are trying to decide between 4 different options. And now you have to 4 different options. For example, like option 1 is house with 2 bedroom and 3, and 3 and 2, 3 and 3, 3 and 4. Then for this different 4 option, we can use the get expected cost function that we define in the question 1 to set option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4 of the expected cost of each option. So then we just need to call our function. Our function name is get expected cost. Get expected cost, and we need to add 2 arguments, number of beds and bedroom. So here just to fill get expected cost with the option 1 is 2, 3, and option 2 is 3 and 3, 2. Question 3 is 3, 3. And for the option 4, 3, 4. 4. And then just printing our value. That's right. Yeah, there is the get expected cost because we haven't arrived here. We haven't defined here the value. I skip this one. 80,000. Yes, question 1. If we already ran the question 1, then the question 2 cell may know the function, and then it's correct now. It calculates the costs for each option. And if we would like to if we would like just to find the hint and the solution of the example, then just comment it and then just view the solution. Yes, the solution is also the same with as the same with the part that we already answer. And for the question 3, now you are a home decorator and you would like to use Python to streamline some of your work. Specifically, you are creating a tool that you intend to use to calculate the cost of painting a room. Then at the first step, we need to define a function. For example, now we would like to get about the cost. Then the name of the function is get cost, and we need to take input for 1, 2, 3, 4. For input, for example, to the square feet of the walls to be painted, square feet or ceiling, and the number of square feet that we can cover with 1 gallon of paint, and the cost in dollars of 1 gallon of paint. Then it should return the cost in dollars of putting 1 coat of paint on our walls and the ceiling. And here we need to assume we can buy the exact amount of paint that we need to buy, and so we can buy partial gallons. For example, if we need just only 7.523 gallons, we can buy the exact amount instead of needing or sorry wait or question 3. I need to refresh. Yes, we need to use the get cost function that we define in question 3 to calculate the cost of applying one coat of paint to a room with the given square feet of wall and or square feet of ceiling. And then we need to calculate the two causes are here. Sorry, but the questions already disappear. So to define the cost, I wrongly delete the question. Oh, no, here. Get cost. At the first step, we need to define get cost with the four inputs. Yes. So, for example, no. Okay, let's check. Let's check the hint for the question 3. So we need to begin by calculating the total number of square feet that need to be painted, and then based on that we need to figure out how many gallons we need. Then once we know to how many gallons we need, and we can calculate the total cost of the project. Can you see the exercise? Can you see the question? Because I wrongly deleted, I think.
Now I see question number 4.
Yes, question number. But only the code there, not the text there. Here. So please wait. I'm reloading in another window.
Okay.
Now. Yes, we need to find the cost. To get the cost by buying the exact amount for the without instead of needing to buy 8 gallons and waste some paint, we can buy the exact amount of paint. So okay, let's find. So get cost. We can begin by calculating the total number of square feet. So there are square feet wall, square feet ceiling, square feet per gallon, square feet cost per gallon with the four arguments. And then for the cost, we need to calculate for the cost per gallon and gallons needed. And for the gallon needed, we need to make division for the total square feet by square feet per gallon, and for the total square feet, we need to make addition for the square feet wall plus square feet ceiling. For the question number 4 is to use the get cost function in the question 3 to calculate the cost of applying one coat of paint to a room with two variables, square feet of wall and square feet of ceiling, and we need to call the function in the question 3 using the two arguments 432 and 144. Then question number 5 is this type of sample is this is just bigger question than the previous bigger exercise than the previous one. And for the question number 5, let's do it by ourselves, and then in the next week we will continue to learn about the data type. And I would like to request for one of you to be the speaker for the next data type part, if it is if your time is free, or if you are available in the next week, because only me only one with me just saying by myself is maybe not active, not an interactive learning. So
No, your explanation is good. Your explanation is good.
no, because this is just we are like our club is like discussion based, so I would like to I think it might be better for interactive discussion hours, then it might be more meaningful.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, anyway, today the time is over, so let's discuss for the data type. Let's discuss about the data type in the next week, and see you next
Thank you,
week.
Nichi. Thank you, Nichi, for your nice
you.
presentation.
Thank you so much for your participation. Thank you so much for your participation too. Even your internet connection is not stable. Thank you, Mite.
Thank you, Niji.
Thank you. And bye bye. See you next week.
Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time.